This is a Rolex Yachtmaster two-tone in 18-karat yellow gold and stainless steel with a white dial. The Rolex Yachtmaster is one of the most highly sought-after luxury sport watches in the world. First introduced in 1992 with the model 11628 in 18-karat yellow gold, and in 1994, Rolex released a ladies' model referenced 69628 and a mid-size man's model 68628, which was the first time Rolex had ever issued a smaller professional-sized watch. In 1996, Rolex introduced the two-tone version to the ladies' and mid-size line. The Yachtmaster is also very unique for the red second hand and the red Yachtmaster on the dial. The red second hand is only on the stainless steel version. It has a sapphire crystal and 40mm case with a triple lock screwed-on crown, since this watch is designed for pro sailors as a more luxury sport watch. The Oyster bracelet is stainless steel with polished center links in 18-karat yellow gold and an Oyster clasp. This is by far Rolex's most luxurious sport watch ever produced.